Hello and welcome to your weekly piano tutorial at the Arc. I'm Amy Riffle-Kouyeas, the piano and voice instructor here at the Arc in Snohomish, Washington. And this year I am feeling very Charlie Brownie-ish for Christmas. I keep kind of pulling out Vince Guaraldi arrangements for church, and they're popular, which doesn't normally happen. So I love the Charlie Brown Christmas book. I've been playing out of it for years, and it never feels like Christmas until I get it out. And Leander has been loving hearing the Charlie Brown music. He relates to it. He loves the Peanuts movie. He loves the Charlie Brown Christmas, and when he hears the music, he gets really excited. And church has been really excited. So I've been doing a lot of Charlie Brown this Christmas. And so what I thought would be fun would be to teach how to play that perennial favorite from Charlie Brown, Linus and Lucy, which is a lot of fun to be able to play. It is definitely one of my favorite party tricks. And it's really not that difficult. It's very repetitive. The most difficult part of this piece is actually being able to coordinate the hands together. So what we're going to do is look at this piece over the next 4 weeks. This week we're going to learn the right and the left hand separately for the A section. Next week we're going to figure out some ways that we can put that together, because that really is the most difficult part of this piece. For week 3 we're going to look at that quick B section, that da 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 ba da 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 ba 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 part. And then for week 4 we're going to put it all together. So let's start with that iconic left hand pattern. It starts with A flat octaves with an E flat in the middle. At one point, the left hand shifts down to F while maintaining the bottom 2 notes. Eventually, the left hand shifts to C flat, which is B, but maintains the same rhythmic pattern. The thumb drops down in that pattern, the thumb drops down to A flat, and we use that to shift back to our A flat octave and back to our old pattern. So here it is. All that the left hand does. That's it. That's it. Over and over and over again. You can play that. You can play that. So let's take a look at the right hand. The right hand also holds an octave in it. And other than that, it's playing 5 notes. You've got 1 note per finger, and you just kind of basically hold that position. So the right hand is basically 5 notes within the C octave. We have C, E flat, A flat, B flat, C. And I tend to use dedicated fingers. 5 notes, 5 fingers, thumb on C, my second finger on E flat, my third finger on A flat, fourth finger on B flat, fifth finger on C. And it starts out with C, A flat, 1 and 3, E flat, B flat, 2 and 4, A flat, C, 3 and 5, and then back down, A flat, C, 3 and 5, E flat, B flat, 2 and 4, A flat, C, 1 and 3. Then back up. So here's the pattern. When the left hand shifts to that C flat section, the left hand uses an E flat, A flat to B flat, and then it just shifts back to our C, A flat. So here's the whole thing together. As I said earlier, the hardest part of this piece is putting the hands together. So if you can master those, practice those two parts, the left hand and the right hand. You'll be in good shape. Next week, we'll talk about how to put them together and maintain rhythmic integrity. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lot of fun and you continue to practice.